Those who are out of the party, they are reactionaries. 1, they are opposition. 2, not us as war veterans. We cannot leave our patron, our president, aside and say we have got our own president. No. Our president is our patron. Our patron is our president. It's the commander of the war veterans. So those who were happy that the president is now down with the war veterans, they are dreaming. They are dreaming like Tsvangirai, who was dreaming in 2000, who was dreaming in 2005, who was dreaming in 2008. That are dreams. You can't avoid dreams. You can't avoid dreams. Dreams are dreams. Some of the dreams are good, and some of the dreams are not good. So to me, as chairman, as Chinotimba, that's nonsense on what that paper was circulated to. It's nonsense. We are there. We are the Bibles of the party.